Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically change the photo of your server. So you have to be an admin or you have to own the server. Select this bit, go to server settings, and you're going to select change icon or upload image here. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find a photo that I want for the server profile, maybe this one. And here you can kind of adjust the image a little bit. Press apply and then press save changes. And when you're done, that will be the profile photo of your server on Discord. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.